Hello, I'm Brian. Today I'm going to show you how to install the base on your OEC. First of all, you're going to locate the base from your packaging material. Then in your accessories box, you're going to locate the screws or the screw heads. Next, on your OEC, what you're going to do is locate these screw posts. There's 3 on each side, and this is where you're going to line up the base unit and place it on. Next, you're going to place this base over the screw heads, line them up, and it should lay down flat on top of the OEC. Paying attention to this part shows the front. Next, what you're going to do is, again, locate the bottom mount 1032 nuts. There's going to be 6 of them that you're going to utilize. And all you do is put them on the screws. And wrench it down. You don't want to go too tight because you don't want to break these posts. And that's it. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and that will finish the installation process of the base. After the base has been thoroughly installed, screwed down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and you'll be ready to install the top, which is this whole setup. Next, you're going to locate this cable and thread this to the side of the machine. This is going to attach to the top of the unit with the black bottom left, right side is the green, and the top red and white. Next, get the top and drape it over the OEC. And we're going to install these wires now. Next, you're going to go ahead and attach these wires. Try to do this so you can see it. The black wire goes to the farthest left. Green wire goes to the bottom right. Then you got the white wire goes on the top right. The red wire goes to the top left, like so. Next, what you're going to do is go ahead and connect all the cables. Then you're going to locate the Allen wrench that comes with your kit. Next is a little bit of wire management. What you're going to to do is route these wires in kind of like this U-shaped for that side and this side. And this is going to go back down. Like so. You want to pull these up as far as it'll go. All right, the next thing is you're going to line up the top. Next thing you want to do is make sure all these wires are being tucked so they can close, and you're going to line this up. Like so. Both sides, and that should be the top. Once the top has been secured to the top of your OEC, you want to make sure that this switch easily operates. If not, you might have to kind of move it over a little bit and make sure the switch doesn't get stuck. Once the top is secured, what you want to do next is make sure these cables are tucked underneath. So the top can lay flat. Then you're going to locate this bag of screws. Next, what you're going to do is go ahead and secure the top with these screws. And screw them down. You want everything finger tight. Next, you're going to just reconnect the cables. And that completes the setup for the top of the OEC. Next, with the assistance of another person, go ahead and carefully remove the monitors from the packaging material. You want to place it on a clean, flat surface as you don't want to scratch the monitors. Bubble wrap makes an excellent surface to utilize while you're doing this. Also, what you want to do is pay attention to this light sensor. What you want to do is maybe put a little bit of bubble wrap on the side to lift this up so it doesn't bend this light sensor. Next, locate these parts. Because we're going to utilize these to attach to the monitors. Next, you'll be ready to attach the arm. And that goes right over here. Just like that. Next, what you're going to do is locate the small washer. And screw that into the bottom of this arm. Next, you're going to go ahead and attach this arm. Like so. After you attach the arm, you're going to go ahead and use the large washer to close up this hole. And that completes the arm assembly. Next, with the assistance or aid of another person, you're going to extend the arm and place it in the hole. And that's it. After the monitor has been installed, what you're going to do next is place all the wires. Screw them all down. Next, you're going to locate these screws indicated by the yellow dots, one on each side, and this is where you're going to mount this bracket. So go ahead and remove these screws that are pre-installed and attach this wire bracket over to it. Next, you're going to locate these screws. These are the long screws. and the shorter ones. The long ones are going to be utilized for the top. On each side. Then the shorter screws. For the bottom. Like so. Now you're going to locate the conduit screws. There's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. And that's where you're going to screw it in the conduit. Here's the finished step with the screws placed for the top conduit. Now what we're going to do is mount the bottom conduit. Make sure you have enough slack going here for the conduit, and that completes the conduit installation. Final step is to replug the OEC back in. Power the system on. Then as soon as the monitors come online, you want to make sure and test the touchscreen panels. And that completes the setup of your OEC.